Fasten your seatbelts, tech enthusiasts, as we kick off a thrilling journey to explore multifunctional gadgets, cutting-edge training devices, and outstanding outdoor gear for men set to revolutionize your everyday life. Would you like to be able to see through walls? Here's the gadget that makes it possible. Basically, this is the ultimate wall scanner. Thanks to the large 4-inch screen, all the controls are pretty intuitive. First, you need to choose between 2 scanning options. Single detection will give you just 1 scan, while multi-detection combines 3 scans into 1 image. In addition, you can choose a specific mode according to your wall material. It might be concrete, drywall, wood, or hollow block. As for the depth, this scanner detects various types of objects and wires within 7-inch range. The gadget is equipped with LEDs that light up your working area, along with some red lasers for precise positioning. How to get that perfect goatee? It may seem like a daunting task, but with this device in hand, you'll be shaving away within seconds. There are 3 adjustments on the front of the product to fit the size of the goatee you want to achieve. There's also an adjustment on the back for the mouthpiece. So fix the device with the center of your nose and start your shaving routine. Here's another cool shaver, although it's actually more like a phone accessory, yet it provides a quality close-to-skin shave featuring a 360-degree rotatable head. But the coolest part is the power supply. This shaver simply plugs into your power bank, smartphone, or tablet, so there's a bunch of different adapters to choose from. Thanks to the magnetic construction, the gadget's easy to disassemble and clean. Okay, this thing will make you an invincible long shot when playing darts. To say simpler, this is a gun that launches darts within a 20-foot range. To fire each dart, or a blade, remove the top safety cover and pull down the protective collar. Press each button to unleash the ballistic stainless dart above it. Well, it seems obvious, but we feel like we need to say that this is not a toy, so be careful using this thing. Come on, baby, light my fire. This brass lighter features a customized sliding mechanism and a signature open flame. Since it's made from raw solid brass, it's super sturdy. Additionally, the brass naturally ages over time, making it even more personal. So the lighter comes with high-quality flints, wicks, and a stainless steel hex tool. The wicks provide a long-lasting burn thanks to their 100% British cotton braid. In addition, the flints use a unique blend of highly ferrous alloys to offer a fat and reliable spark. It also comes with a small pull tab, making it easy to refuel and re-wick. Light everything up in style. Now, if you're tired of ordinary fidget toys, there's a chance these magnetic rings suit you better. The set includes 3 rings that allow a limitless variety of smooth and eye-catching tricks. Each ring is equipped with 16 powerful magnets. Wow, that's quite a few. And what's really cool, the rings are available in various designs and premium materials. You should definitely check out the silver option and these natural wood ones. They even come with a special oil that'll help you restore the wood during use. Looks cool, feels cool, and nothing else matters. Here's another tool that makes great use of magnets. This quick-release connector provides a seamless way to carry your keychain, EDC tools, and other accessories. The magnets are super strong and reliable, yet they keep your items easily detachable. You might attach it to your fridge or any other magnetic surface. Oh, it's a pill to deal with several disorders around the house and outdoors. The sharp cutting blade is a perfect choice when you need to get to your favorite donuts or open a pack of coffee. Not a single unscrewed bolt will remain when a Phillips screwdriver is at hand, and a pry tool is probably the most convenient thing when opening the can lids. The pill is durable and resistant to various types of bullying, so we recommend you clip it to your jeans. Okay, so you can start a fire, but what to do with logs? When unsplit, they'll flare up an eternity. Well, grab a hammer and this manual log splitter then. The tool's solid, there are no moving parts, which makes it much more sturdy and reliable. And yeah, no moving blades and sharpened tools next to your hands. Now you've got some fuel for the fire. Who could have thought a whole toolbox could be the size of a pen? This magic wand will easily fit in your pocket and cope with the majority of issues you may face, from survival to fixing things at home. There are 9 interchangeable double-sided S2 steel bits, which means you have 18 different drivers in a variety of sizes. Not bad. It also features a knife and a window breaker for emergencies, an LED flashlight to find the way in the dark, a box cutter to check the parcel ASAP, and so on. Powerful magnets keep everything in place and provide you with comfy operation. Whatever tool you need for the job, this cutie with 26 tools inside has you covered. Want to hang a new poster on your wall? These tools will make sure you do it right. First comes this incredibly handy marking tool that suits any objects with keyhole slots. The tool allows you to hang your item with highest precision without any measurements. Literally, all you have to do is insert the tools into the slots, tighten up, and open the cap. Once you press the object against the wall, you'll clearly see the marking dots right where you need them. The tool works with most types of keyhole slots as well as various surfaces, whether it's soft or hard, smooth or textured. Just admit that it's super handy to have the most needed things at hand. Better on your keychain, like this key organizer. So it fits up to 10 keys, taking them out is a matter of a second. Can't find the keyhole in the dark? Use the built-in flashlight. Need to open a jar? There's a pry bar for that. Want to tighten a screw? A flathead screwdriver will help you. In fact, the organizer also includes a bottle opener, a hex wrench, a ruler, a file, and a bit holder. And thanks to minimalist design, it won't damage your pockets. Why don't you wear a piece of cyberpunkish art on your wrist? Yep, this is a watch that has those vintage Nixie tubes under the sturdy sapphire glass. Aside from looking like a post-apocalyptic artifact, this watch is stuffed with the latest technologies. For example, it uses a built-in gyro sensor to display time and save power. So the watch will light up either when you raise your wrist or press one of the buttons on the side. And yes, just like a flagship phone in your pocket, you can charge the watch wirelessly. Cherry on top, there's a built-in stopwatch mode to count the seconds before the end of the world. These shears are a must for policemen and emergency medical technicians personnel. That means they'll work perfectly in emergencies outdoors. So they'll help you get rid of unnecessary clothes, and a ring cutter on the other side will deal with jewelry. But even when folded, you still have access to the strap cutter, the oxygen tank wrench, and the glass breaker. And the ruler nearby is always handy. The pocket clip ensures it'll never leave your side, but you can also attach your multi-tool with the integrated holster. It's super compact, and unfolding is a matter of seconds. Stay safe. Again, need to charge your devices but you don't have an outlet nearby? Don't complain, you've got the sun. This roll-up solar charger will juice up your cam even when the sun isn't shining. Just unroll it and hang it on your backpack when hiking, or place it on top of your tent when camping. Compared to ordinary power banks with solar panels, this one is super portable, lightweight, and extremely compact. Don't need it anymore? Roll it up and put the device in your backpack. What's cool, the panel will continue working even when one of the elements is damaged. You finally have some more space in your backpack. You'd better get this little communicator before setting out on a long journey. With detailed preloaded topographical maps, you'll be able to keep an eye on where you are at all times. You'll even be able to see current weather and geocaching information. What's cool? A 3-inch color screen is easy to read even in the brightest sun, so this GPS won't lead you astray due to glare. Got in trouble? Send an SOS call to the nearest 24/7 search and rescue network. Finally, the device works for up to 200 hours in expedition mode. That's enough for a big journey. Here's an awesome pocket-sized butane-powered soldering iron for DIY enthusiasts. Despite its tiny size, the tool can easily replace the 70-watt electrical soldering irons. The temperature is pretty easy to adjust depending on your needs, but the coolest part is that 4 additional caps make this thing even more versatile. With the torch tip, you can use it as a soldering torch, reaching a heat of up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. The iron heats up in less than 20 seconds and runs up to 30 minutes on a single tank of butane. Last but not least, it's completely cordless and runs on butane fuel, so there's no danger of tangling and electrical current leakage. At last, there's a smart and intuitive gadget that'll replace all those awfully unhandy measuring tools. Whether you need a 2D floor plan or a curved line measurement, you only have to choose the right mode. There's even a laser measuring module that stands out with an 80-foot working range. And it's also provided with a mobile app that instantly transforms all your measurements into actual plans. You can draw and edit your results right on the phone, then export the file in any convenient format. What's more, the gadget is completely pocketable and runs up to 16 hours on one charge. These shot glasses give the phrase, "let's take a shot," a whole new meaning. Yep, that's because they look like 12-gauge shotgun shell casings. Each glass holds 2 ounces. Red is the most epic color option, but there are several others you might also appreciate. Smells like shooting? Grab the bottle opener in the package and push the trigger. Okay, Google how to feel warm and cozy as if you're lying on Love Beach in Mexico, but you're actually trying to warm your hands in Fairbanks, Alaska. You definitely need proper gloves. These intelligent Asmart gloves evenly distribute heat up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain the temperature you choose. Okay, let's put them on. You see, they turned on automatically. Just use the single button to adjust the heat level. Of course, you can turn them on manually if you want. The gloves are resistant to water and any damage you might face them. And when you take them off, they'll immediately stop spreading the heat. Clip these guys together to avoid losing one of them. Want to free your hands but don't want to leave your drink? Put it on your buckle then. Well, not on any buckle, of course, but this one over here has a little secret. Flip it and you'll get a place to put your drink on. It's perfect for cans and bottles and steady enough for you to keep moving around. Thin metal ring on the upper part secures the bottle. Now you can even dance without spilling your beer. Now you don't have to worry about someone taking your drink when you leave the table. And what kind of tool is this? It's a bush hammer that allows you to create a perfect texture on your stone or concrete. The tool features 3 powerful rollers along with some really tough tungsten teeth. So you can use this thing to quickly remove overlays and coatings from the stone and create a nice sandblast finish. This processing will also make your concrete easier to bond. Actually, there's a bunch of different models that vary in diameter and shape. You should also pay attention to the connector type according to your grinder. You might get with this bigger 4-head version that gets the job done really quick. Although it creates a slightly different finish, the result won't disappoint you. In case of any emergency, a quality self-defense tool might be of great use. This one, for instance, stands out with an extremely tough body, fully made of titanium. The knuckle-like shape makes this thing really comfortable to hold. Also, the sharp end is equipped with a tungsten steel head that easily breaks through glass. The tool comes with its own sheath for carrying, or maybe you'd prefer the good old folding knife. This blade combines an exquisite titanium handle with a real sharp blade. Whenever it gets worn, you can easily replace the blade with a new one. There's just one screw to remove. If you wish for something more portable, this multi-tool is a great option. It features a little built-in blade with a fast and secure release mechanism. In addition, the tool includes 2 types of screwdrivers along with a bottle opener. Last but not least, there's this ultra-compact pocket clip tool. Made of pure titanium, this thing acts as a pry bar, box cutter, ruler, and bottle opener, not to mention the integrated screwdriver tips. Plenty of functions for something the size of a pen. Well, yeah, our hands are the best tools, and our mind is the best weapon. But you aren't Hulk to smash the logs with bare hands anyway, aren't you? That's where this Winwild Multi-Tool pocket knife comes to the rescue. You need a screwdriver? No problem. This knife will turn into a screwdriver. There's a set of various bits included in the package. You say the pliers are in need? Okay, unfold them and secure with a lock to prevent the injury. There's an untamed can in sight? A built-in can opener will take care of that. Aside from that, there's a set of other useful things like a cutter, of course, the bottle opener, and a razor-sharp knife with a 3-inch blade. All this treasure will wait for the right time in the holster on your belt. When deep in the woods, your boss will definitely not find you. But what about some other curious guys? Foxes, or even bears? This system is the best way to ask them to stay away. The installation will need some time, tools, and accuracy, but the result is worth it. The way it works is simple. When the animal pulls the wire, it'll release the pull ring and launch a flare. Now both you and the animal know something wrong is happening. Oh, we recommend setting up several devices across the perimeter at different heights. No more plastic forks to pollute nature. This is the ultimate cutlery for every traveler. So first, it's extremely compact. Thanks to the collapsible design, the entire set literally fits in your pocket. It only takes a few seconds to fully assemble when needed. And unlike these single-use alternatives, this cutlery is made of sleek and durable stainless steel. Each kit comes with a nice carrying box, and there are some really cool colors to choose from. You'll be the only one in camp with a rose gold fork. Now this thing actually looks like a tumbler, but it isn't for coffee. It stores 120 feet of rope instead. This compact thing will definitely save plenty of space in your backpack, and thanks to the integrated cutter, you can get a piece of rope of any length using just one hand. Most importantly, this flat braided nylon rope is ready to handle the most difficult tasks. Tensile strength is actually rated at 1,100 pounds. Making knots must be really easy, even for beginners. Just follow the guide on the canister. And if you run out of rope, don't worry, this thing is refillable. Oh, don't tell us you don't struggle to make an ideal hanging pot stove every time you're cooking outdoors. This plate will turn the branches into a camping tripod, and the hanging chain can be adjusted to a suitable height, which is more convenient for cooking. It's that easy. Wherever you go, just put this small steel board in your backpack, and you won't bother to hang pot stoves anymore. Okay guys, pit stop time. This 2-gallon jerry can stores everything you need for a good evening. With its authentic and compact design, this mini bar is a perfect solution for home and travel. The can is fully made of steel and comes in a variety of bright colors. As for the inside, there are several layouts to choose from. Beer fans will appreciate the can with the integrated bottle opener, and the version for whiskey enjoyers comes with special glasses, coasters, and even a deck of playing cards. Most importantly, the mini bar is equipped with a key lock, keeping your drinks safe from intruders. Every man needs such a thing in his cave. Even if you've had a lot of fidget spinners, this one is definitely worth checking out. It stands out with an extremely complex mechanism that includes 6 tungsten steel bearings and 6 outer shells. Now here's the coolest part. When you start spinning, the shells open up almost like a transformer, and the sound is actually no less satisfying than the look. And if you want to add some color, there are special slots left exactly for that purpose. These vibrant glass vials are available in a variety of colors and sizes. Compared to conventional tritium vials, these are several times brighter and less fragile. That's your magic wand when spending time outdoors. So first, it's a powerful lighter that'll help you start a fire in any conditions. Then there's a built-in rechargeable flashlight that works up to 7 hours on one charge. The tool is completely waterproof and extremely rugged thanks to the titanium. That's why it also doubles as a compact pry bar, box opener, and even flathead screwdriver. So small, yet so mighty.